In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change project layout in Asana. Let's make your Asana projects easier to navigate by choosing the layout that best fits your workflow and then setting it as the default for everyone on your team. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand exactly what each view offers and how to lock in your preferred choice. Start by opening your project. From your Asana home or sidebar, select the project you want to adjust. Once you're inside, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see tabs for different layouts, typically labeled List, Board, Timeline, and Calendar. These tabs are your quick switches, and changing the layout is as simple as clicking the one you want. Here's what each layout is great for. List displays tasks in a structured spreadsheet-like format with columns for assignees, due dates, and custom fields. It's ideal when you want to scan details quickly or sort and filter information. Board gives you a Kanban-style layout with columns, perfect for tracking work as it moves from stage to stage. Timeline shows a Gantt-style view that maps tasks across a schedule, making it easier to plan dependencies and spot overlaps. Calendar displays tasks by due date so you can see what's coming up this week or month at a glance. Try clicking each tab to see how your project looks and decide which one best supports your team's day-to-day needs. Once you've chosen your preferred layout, you can set it as the default view for everyone who opens the project. To do that, click the three dots or the More Options icon next to the name of the tab you've selected. In the menu that appears, choose Set as Default. That's it. From now on, when teammates open this project, it will load in the layout you picked first. They can still switch to another tab at any time, but this setting creates a consistent starting point for everyone. A couple of helpful notes: you may need edit or admin access on the project to set the default. If you don't see the option, check with the project owner or an administrator. It's also smart to align the default view with how your team actually works. For example, use List when you're managing lots of fields and details, Board when you're tracking flow, Timeline for planning phases, and Calendar for deadline awareness. That's all you need to change and set your Asana project layout. Open your project, explore the tabs, and set your favorite as the default so your team lands exactly where they should every time.